I thought it would be a good idea to try and voice record some of the whistles that Albert does, so that people can hear out for them. Right, these are a few of his, or most of his whistles. With that one, he may just do the start being, and then he'll wait for someone else to go, and then he'll go. The next one is my family whistle, which is, but he's just picked up the first bit, which would be, also he would go, yeah, there's them the most likely sounds, but the wolf whistle is definitely the one he'll do, which will be, he would do that repeatedly. So if anyone can listen out for these sounds, and they hear them, then see if they can hear which direction they're coming from, and help me to locate him. Thank you, bye.